How's it going? What's up and what's happening? Blessed, beautiful Crypto Bliss community. Kiara Cass here today with the wonderful start to the week. Hope you guys are all having blessed and fun and beautiful energy day today. May it be magical, more magical than you could ever have imagined before. Thank you for being here with me, my blessed and beautiful community. I appreciate you all. Much love and light and abundance to you. And today I'm going to be talking a little bit about one crypto coin that I don't believe I've seen many people speak about at all, yet it's a crazy market cap. And I'm going to show you a few things about this market cap on this coin because it is big, okay? And it still has a lot of space to grow. So, and we'll see that now with this coin. So stay tuned. And yeah, we'll see what happens there on this coin and how much you would require to become a millionaire. Let's go and have a look now, and let's go and talk about this beautiful project. So with any further ado, please smash that that link down below so that you guys can get yourself into some trades. We are certainly expecting a lot of volatility this week. You'll see my video I did a little bit earlier on that speaks about this, and we are going to have a lot of fun in the market this coming week. So please be prepared and make sure that you are ready to take any trade that you can just make some good cash from, guys. So thanks for being here with me, my blessed and wonderful community. I appreciate you all. And yeah, let's go out. Let's go rock this wonderful day. Let's go and make this beautiful world happen all day, every day, in every single wonderful way. So thank you very much to my community. We continue to grow. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, obviously today we are going to be speaking about a project that is very similar to Sandbox. And might I say it actually might be ahead of Sandbox, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. It's not ahead of Sandbox, but it's ahead of a number of others. So let's not keep you in suspense anymore. Let's get straight to it. Boom! This coin is called Magic. It's ranked 137. You can see here it's on the Arbitrum network. You can see that the price is $1.38. That's its logo. Its name is Magic. Its token ticker is Magic. It's down 4.7% for the day. It's on quite a number of people's watch list, nearly 28,000. It's got a market cap of $293 billion already, guys. That's massive. Its trading volume is $68 million. That's huge, guys. That's really big. It's got a supply of a very small 347 million, and literally half of that is already in circulation, which is great. I like that. I'm already super keen. You can come check their Twitter, Discord, and GitHub. Now, it's part of the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, we're going to have a look at two things here. I want to show you this chart here very, very quickly, because this chart shows us price hit its all-time high in March 22, and we are currently down here at the moment, okay? Its all-time high was $6.32. We are down 78% from there. And from over a year, more than a year ago, October 21, we are up 6,800%. So I don't believe many people have spoken about this coin, but I do want to go and talk about market cap. Now have a look at this, guys. You can see price smashed up here, and market and price is lower down here than this point. Now when we go and look at market cap, it'll come. When we go look at market cap was low here when the all-time high prices were. So it's very interesting to see how market cap is much higher now, okay? But the price is still the price is still lower than the all-time high. So I'm going to say that that's probably because they put more coins into the market around this point, which opened up space for buying, which allowed more people to buy this coin. But you can see that we haven't reached that full potential yet of the total circulating supply, which is probably why we had this pump in market cap at the moment, which ended up reaching about, at the peak was $445 billion. So if you had to spend $100 today, you get 72 Magic. If you were to spend $1,000, you get 797, and sorry, $1,000. You get 724, and if you spend $10,000, you get 7,246. Okay, so But that being said, now what I want to go and show you on this coin, because that's very interesting. That's one of the first times I've actually seen that happen, which is not a bad thing, okay? But let's go and have a quick squiz at the chart, and let's see what this looks like. Because right now we formed a massive triangle on the daily time frame. You can see we broke back down below the 61 level. We have created lower highs, but we have we've basically been trading in a range between the 786 and the 50% on the Fibonacci, okay, which is a great entry point essentially because we were holding above here for the past couple of days. However, there is the ribbon and my other indicator here that speaks about it perhaps pushing down. So if we were to push down, we probably come to around this level here, and then we probably bounce back up off of that level because we're creating higher lows as well. So very interesting to see this in this chart. Could it break out? It's basically saying it'll only break out by the 18th of May, which I think most of the crypto coins will do so. So let us go and see what this coin is first before I go any further on the video. So the magic of play. Treasure is the decentralized gaming ecosystem bringing games and players together through magic. So magic is the blockchain, and treasure is what you'll use to build on the blockchain. You can play games, there's interoperability, there's a marketplace, and you can come have a look here. They've got their assets, what is magic, documentation, etc. that you need to go and have a look at. I do suggest doing that, and then you can see Discord and Twitter up here. And then these are some of the characters that are on this play to earn game. So gaming and NFT ecosystem. It's the #1 gaming and NFT ecosystem on Arbitrum, which just released last week. Then they did a huge airdrop. 271 million total marketplace volume, 10 plus games powered by Treasure. And it's the #1 gaming and top 5 overall liquidity on Sushi. Now, it has games powered by Treasure through Magic, interoperability, it has a marketplace, and it has an AMM. Okay, so games and worlds that delight the masses, Kings of the Ether, The Beacon, Kororo. Let's see the rest of the games. Kororo, Bitmates, Tales of Valeria, Battlefly. I mean, these are all their games. Realm. Is Realm one of their games? Wow, almost thought it was actually Realm, but it's not. So these are pretty freaking cool games. You can see very simple graphics, and as the point is that you're here to play the game, join the community, build on the Web3 platform, and make some money while you play. Okay, so it isn't directly a play to earn game, but it is part of the gamers. And basically what you're looking for is these games you will be able to play and sell and build on the Web3. So in other words, you'll be able to play these games against others and beat levels, etc. that will obviously earn you crypto, which is called Treasure. And Treasure is being burnt over time. I did see that somewhere on the website. I don't know where it is now, but actually I did in about Treasure. That's what I did. Treasure is the decentralized Nintendo. So Treasure is building the decentralized gaming ecosystem to transform game publishing. Games built from the ground up by Treasure and seasoned builders, all connected by magic. So you can come and have a look at that and see what that is for you. Brand assets. This is where I wanted to go as well. No, that's the logo. That's all the logos. So that's very helpful to people wanting to use your stuff as well, which is amazing. So, okay, let's not fiddle around here anymore. Let us carry on the chart, and then let us carry on the magic price. So magic is, so we saw a $6 price. Now, in order for it to get to a $6 price, let's go and have a look what that looks like for us, guys. Okay, so calculator. So 6 divided by $1.38 will give us a 4.3x. Now times that by the current market cap, 293,472,056. will give us a nearly $1.3 billion market cap. It didn't get there yet, okay? Its current market cap is sitting at 293 billion. So in order for us to get to that 1.2 billion, we're going to have to see some huge shifts and moves in this price. Okay, so that would take us up to 1.2 billion. Now let's go and just quickly, I need to show you where this coin is. Okay, it's when you go to categories, then you can go over to Zero Knowledge Gaming. GameFi, was it gaming? I think it was gaming. That I saw it in gaming. Yes, gaming. So check where it is, okay? Oh, wow. So it literally just swapped with Gala right now because it was actually above Gala a few moments ago. It was sitting at a 294 market cap and it's now down just a little, which is very, very interesting, guys, because if it was above Gala, it means that it's competing against Gala. Most of these coins will compete against Gala, but that's very interesting that Magic was above Gala at this point because Gala is a huge, huge, huge ecosystem. So if we just base this price on its all-time high, which was sitting up at, oh yeah, okay, so actually I did this wrong. Okay, because if it's been to a $6 all-time high, there you go. It's drawn to a $6 all-time high. So my analysis there was incorrect. My bad. Wow. Okay, so see that. We're at the bottom of the Fibonacci, not even at the 618. So we're at the bottom. So we were rejected off of this level again, which actually changes, but I still feel as though we might come back down here before we try and make a move back up and break the all-time, this high over here. It's not the all-time high. Obviously this chart was listed, obviously Magic was listed on Binance a little bit later on, but basically, so if that went to the all-time high, which was the 6, then that would be a very, very, very powerful and major run, and that run would look like something like this, and that would be a 385% gain just to the all-time high, previous all-time high. Okay, 385% gain, guys. That's huge, man. Now, if this had to do a 4.2x multiplier, that would take us up to $24.56. So what does that look like for today? So if we come back here, and let's just click back on Magic so we have our content there for us. So 24.56 divided by 1.38 equals 17.8x on your money just to get to the all-time high. And if we had to times that by the current market cap of 548,778, that'll give us a $5.2 billion market cap. Could it reach $5.2 billion market cap? Yeah, I do believe so. So I think a fair point and a fair price for this coin would probably be around that level, $24, $25, guys. You can see we're well under that right now. That's a decent 18x on your capital. I hope you are excited about this project. If you know more about this project than I do, which I don't actually know too much about it, I haven't got into it yet, but I am going to get into it very soon. I do like it, and I do see the massive potential behind it. Please let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. I appreciate you. Love you lots, and we'll see you on the next one.